And what I mean by that is ask yourself, is the content that I'm creating causing your viewers to say, oh man, okay, now this is what I've been looking for. This is what I need. And that also brings the question, am I making videos to go viral, or am I making videos because what I'm delivering is providing value to the viewer who's watching? So how to get more followers on TikTok. Maybe you post videos and they go viral and you see all of the followers, but on the regular videos that don't go viral, how do you get followers off of those videos? I'm gonna show you how coming up next. Hey, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Quincy and I help you with TikTok and YouTube social media tips and tricks, as well as Instagram and Facebook. So if you want more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. This way I can continue to bring you videos that will be very helpful to you. So how do you get more followers on TikTok? Maybe like I said in my intro, you are posting videos and you see them go viral, they get a lot of traction, and then the next thing you know, you post a follow-up video or a second or a third video and it doesn't go viral, but yet you're wondering, how come I'm not necessarily getting followers like I did on my previous video? This is one of the things you want to make sure you are doing. In order for this to happen, this means you need to be intentional in your content creation. So what does that mean? This means that you need to know what type of people you want to target when making your videos. If you don't hear anything else from this video that you're watching right now on YouTube, make sure you remember this. You need to make value your best friend this year if you want to see more followers coming from every single video. As long as you are delivering value to the viewer, and what I mean by that is ask yourself, is the content that I'm creating causing your viewers to say, oh man, okay, now this is what I've been looking for. This is what I need. And so that may be you making content that is the answer to the question that people have been searching for, like TikTok, YouTube. People usually search for answers, and if you're the answer to what they're searching for, then you have content that goes viral. There's longevity in that content. Or also, is someone down and the content that you're making lifts them up, lifts their spirits, make them laugh, gives them joy, you know? So even in that sense, whether it's comedy or videos that just inspire people, you know, will it be the answer to what someone is looking for in however they're feeling at the moment? Or maybe they're just trying to search for an answer, and you are that answer because of the content that you're delivering. And that is what I mean by value. As long as you're making videos that have value and give value to the viewers, you will always have content that produce followers. Now, I recently did a video on hashtags, and hashtags can actually help make or break a video. I would suggest using no more than about 5 or 7 hashtags per video, and some videos don't even need hashtags. I recently created another TikTok channel, and I started it from zero, and I made it because it's a channel that I really can make content on day in and day out. It's my lifestyle, which is Christian, and it's a faith channel with me and my wife. But I wanted to see also the traction and the growth. It's a steady growth, it's a slow growth, but I love it because the follower base that I have, they're genuine. They like most of the videos. They comment on most of all of the videos. It didn't just grow because of a viral video and then all of a sudden I have all these followers, but they're not liking my new content. So every single video that I make, the follower base that I have there are people that are watching all of the videos. And the reason why I say that is because if you have viral videos on your current channel, that is fine. However, make sure, one, you want to try to capitalize on that and, you know, come out with a follow-up video. But at the same time, what is the genre or what is the niche of people you gained from that viral video? Before you post a video, you should be asking yourself, is this something that is shareable? Will someone watch this video and say, you know what, I gotta email someone this, I need to text someone this, I have to share this with someone? Is it that type of video that, no matter what's going on in the world, they have to show someone else this video? So you wanna ask yourself that question, is it shareable? That does not mean not make the video, but these are some things that will help you when you actually begin to start recording a video or even upload a video. I do understand that some content creators don't even make videos. They just find videos and upload them. If that's you, then you want to make sure that if you're uploading a video, is someone going to want to share this video, or are they going to find it, worth watching, or, spreading the information to someone else? So here's the kicker. And this is going to be a tough pill to swallow. Not every video you make is going to go viral, and you have to be okay with that. And that also brings the question, am I making videos to go viral, or am I making videos because what I'm delivering is providing value to the viewer who's watching? The content that I'm giving them is something that they've been looking for, something that they've been searching for, and they can watch all of my videos and content because they know that in its bulk is things that they can learn from, or things that they can laugh at, or it provides humor, or it uplifts them, no matter what type of mood that they're in. And for those of you who feel like, I am just losing followers on TikTok, I'm losing by the hundreds to the thousands. I've talked to most of you in inbox. Some of you comment on a lot of my videos when it comes to followers and why you're losing followers, and I get it. But here's the thing. TikTok is the only platform for some reason that's even going on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. None of us experience follower drops like we do on TikTok. And so, but here's the thing. Don't worry about that. And the reason why is because you might be losing followers, but guess what? Your content is still there. Meaning you can take that same content and post it on another platform, and there you will gain traction, followers, likes, and shares. Now, I know there was a big thing back in the day where, if the watermark was there, Instagram Reels is not going to push it. YouTube Shorts is not going to push it. I felt that was the case once upon a time, but I recently posted a few videos. One of them wasn't even mine. And guess what? The watermark was there, and it actually went further than I thought it would even go. So I'm not finding that to be true. I think that the algorithm just plays a part in when you upload or create a video, and there's a watermark in it. It either, feeds into the algorithm, or it just missed it, or whatever the case is, but the algorithm plays a part in when you upload the video. Lately on YouTube Shorts, I've been uploading videos at about 8 p.m. at night, and when I wake up, they have 500 to 700 views. However, if I post it in the daytime, sometimes it will go throughout the whole day without any views, but when I wake up in the morning, and I highly believe it's because, we're in the United States here, but it's daytime over, across seas, over in China, over in different places. And so I know that's what's going on. While we're asleep, they're getting these notifications, or they're seeing the YouTube Shorts feed, because they're up and they're alive, not alive, but because they're up and awake and we're asleep. So don't be discouraged that your videos are not going viral. Just be happy and know that you still have content that is an archive of content that you can still use and upload to other platforms. Don't be stressed out because it's likely that your content is good, but the algorithm just has not picked it up. I have a ton of videos on my new YouTube channel, and some of them hit with the algorithm and some don't. But guess what? The content is good. I'm like, oh man, are you serious? This video didn't go viral? And that's the thing. I'm not making them to go viral, but when it happens, that's a byproduct of why I made the video. I made the video so that people can search for it and it can be the answer to what some people are looking for. Same thing on TikTok. I don't delete the video because it didn't go viral. My reputation is not at stake. You either know who I am, or they either know who you are, what type of person you are, or they don't. But you don't delete the video. But in most cases, you can wait about a week or two, and guess what? Re-upload the video again. Leave that same post, if you want, or delete it and re-upload the video again. And because of different times of the days and weeks and the algorithm, that same video can go viral. Hey guys, let me know if you are already implementing some of this. Let me know if it helped you out. Comment below with any questions, concerns, anything that I may have not covered in this video. I would love to help you out with more tips and even answer some things that I did not talk about. All right, make sure you like this video, share it with someone who can use this information, and subscribe to the channel if you already haven't. It would greatly help me out. All right, guys. Hey, until next time, I will see you on the next video.